we are going to discuss about how to make simple calculator app in Java by using Swing GUI. And here today we will create simple calculator that will perform all operations. Okay, let's begin and start to write the code. So first here I will create one class, new class that will be calculator app. And this class will extend JFrames. So we can create a frame for our calculator and will implement action listener. And action listener contain one abstract method that we need to override. Add unimplemented method that is action performed. So first what I will do here I will declare main method. Here I have declared our main method from where application will start. Here it's showing some warning message. So here we need to implement serial version UUID. Now here, so first here I will declare JFrame text field and also declare the operands that will be used to create the frame, and here text field will be used to show the output, and here I have declared three strings, first, second and operator. Now here I will declare constructor, default constructor. When the object will be created, the first, second and operator will be empty. Now I will create the frame. Now frame will be created. Here we can declare its header calculator. Now I will give the look and feel to our frame. So here I will use UI manager dot set look and feel function to define the look and feel for my frame, and need to throw declaration unspotted look and feel. Here I will initialize my constructor of calculator app. When the main method will be run, then this will be execute. Now here I will define the text field size. Here I have defined text field will contain 16 digits and 16 characters, and the text field editable will be false. So here I have declared it will be false. Now here I will define the buttons for our calculator. There will be 16 buttons that will be like 0 to 9 and 5 operators. Here I have declared J button, and there is 17 buttons, that is 0 to 9 button for add, subtract, division, multiplication, and there is one dot, decimal, and for clear screen, and here is equal to operator. Now here I will assign the value to buttons, button 0, 1 to 9, and these are the button that used for to declare operators, equal to, plus, minus, divide, multiplication, and C for clear, and dot, that is decimal. Now here I will add action listener for all buttons, and here I have declared all buttons button multiply dot add action listener calculator, that is a constructor. Here I have added action listener for all buttons. When it will perform any action, it will directly call to this function, that is action performed. Now here I will create JPanel and add all buttons into the JPanel. JPanel is created. Here I have added all buttons into my panel, JPanel. All buttons and text field I have set into the JPanel. After that I will set its background color, and here I have set the background color is green. And the next thing, we need to set this panel into J. I have added panel into the frame. Now here we need to define the size for JFrame, and we'll call the show method, then we can see the frame. Now we need to override this function, that is action performed. When we will click on any button in calculator, then this action performed function will be called. This action performed button will handle 4 types of action. Here the first if condition will be used if there will be the action is number. First if condition will be used to handle if we are entering the number from our calculator between the range 0 to 9 or we are pressing the dot. Then this if condition will be executed, and this if condition is used to restrict we can only add one dot. Otherwise, else if operator dot equals empty, if we are not sending any operator like plus, minus, multiplication, then this will be not go to this condition and enter here. First will be first plus action is like plus minus will be and this message, this text field is used to set the text and we can see on the calculator. So this if condition is mainly used to handle if the value is number, then this condition will be executed. And the one more else if condition we will add if we will click on C button on calculator, then it will clear the whole screen and set the value as 0 on the calculator screen, and it will set the value of text and will set the value for text. Now the next condition and one more else if will be added if we have pressed equal to operator in calculator, then this action will be performed. But before this it will check the first and the second operand value is empty, then it will not go to this condition. If contains some value first and second operand, then this action will be performed. First it will convert string into double and will perform the add operation, and here like will perform subtraction, and here division, and else multiplication operation will be performed. And the next text field dot set text method will be used to set the value of text that we can see on calculator, and here the all value will become the first, means our first value is 5 and operator plus, and second value is again 5, this the result will be 10. Then here first value will become the 10 and operator, and second will be set as empty string. And the next here we will add last else condition. If it's not going to above 3 condition, then it will go into this else condition. And here we have declared operator equals second equals, here it will check the operand's value. If it is empty, it will go here. If it contains value, then this function will be evaluate and perform the action. And here it will perform first plus second add operation, subtraction operation, division, and multiplication operation. Here we have added condition if first operand is empty, then we cannot use operator at first place. And second else if second operand or operator is equal to, then we will set operator is equal to empty, means if we have clicked on equal to operator in calculator, then it will not show after operands. And the next we will set the value to our text field and we can see. Now I will run this application. Here you can see a simple calculator created. So here I will perform operation 45 plus 45, that will be 90, and if I will click on equal to operator, then only 90 will be displayed. And here we can perform further operation like 30 is equal to 30. If I will click on C, then it will clear the screen and will display only 0 on the screen. Like this we can use this calculator. Okay, thanks.